ChatGPT feels intelligent, but it doesn't think like a human. Here's what's really happening. ChatGPT doesn't have beliefs, emotions, or opinions. It works by predicting the next best word, one word at a time, based on patterns it learned from huge amounts of text. Here's the Eli 5 version. Imagine a supercharged autocomplete. Instead of guessing the next word of a sentence, it guesses the next word of entire conversations, stories, explanations, and ideas. Here's the real version. Step 1, you type a message. ChatGPT breaks it into tokens, tiny pieces of language. Step 2, pattern analysis. It looks at context, meaning, and probability. Step 3, prediction. It chooses the next most likely token. Step 4, repeats. It builds full paragraphs by predicting one word at a time. Here's the key idea. It's not thinking, it's predicting with incredible accuracy. So in simple terms, ChatGPT is a pattern predicting machine that generates language, not a human mind. If you want more simple AI explanations, subscribe to AI Unlocked.